Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox textures. Textures are essentially image files that you apply to parts and objects in your game to give them visual detail and realism. They are crucial for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your creations, making your game world feel more immersive and engaging for players. We will cover everything from preparing your image files to applying them directly within Roblox Studio, ensuring your creations look their absolute best. Let's dive in and start making some amazing textures. Before bringing your textures into Roblox Studio, proper preparation is key. Aim for image dimensions that are powers of 2, like 512 by 512 pixels or 1024 by 1024 pixels, as this optimizes performance. PNG is often the best file format, especially if you need transparency, though JPG also works. If your texture will repeat, ensure it's seamlessly tillable to avoid noticeable edges. This foundational step ensures your textures look professional and perform efficiently within your game. Now that your texture is ready, let's get it into Roblox Studio. First, open Studio and head to the View tab, then click Asset Manager to bring up the asset window. From there, simply click the Import button and select your prepared texture file from your computer. Once uploaded, you can easily drag and drop the texture directly onto any part in your workspace to apply it, or manually set its texture ID property. It's a straightforward process to bring your visual creations to life. To truly elevate your Roblox textures, consider a few best practices. Always optimize your files. Smaller resolutions and file sizes improve game performance significantly without necessarily compromising visual quality. Explore physically based rendering, or PBR, textures for enhanced realism, as they interact with light more accurately. Don't forget to experiment with Roblox Studio's built-in material properties, like plastic or smooth plastic, to find the perfect combination that complements your custom textures. These tips will help you create stunning and efficient visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.